In this video, I am going to show you how to download and print your resume from Indeed. Whether you're preparing for a job application or updating your professional documents, having a hard copy of your resume is always handy. And here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Indeed website. Click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the page. Enter your login credentials and access your account. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the resume section of your account. Look for the Download Resume button. This will be on the right of your resume preview. Clicking on the Download Resume button will typically save your resume as a PDF file. Ensure you note the download location, which is usually your browser's default download folder. Navigate to the folder where your resume was downloaded, double-click on the PDF file to open it, and in your PDF file, go to File menu and select Print or press the printer icon if it's available to print your resume. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.